पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदींनी सुरुवात केलेल्या फिट इंडिया मुवमेंटा अंतर्गत करमळीच्या श्रीमती सुनंदाबाई बांदोडकर हायस्कुलान रेन रन आयोजित केल्ली। हातून सुमार 85 विद्यार्थ्यांनी वांटो घेतिल्लो। करमळीच्यान महेंद्र गांवकर।
Myself, Ms. Lansha, the head girl of Srimati Sunandabai Bandodkar High School. Today we had Rain Run 2019 on the occasion of National Sports Day. It was a wonderful event and we enjoyed a lot. We tried to create an awareness of Fit India movement. We had the village route for this rain run. Altogether 85 students at least took part in it. Being a student, it was inspiring and it was also a fitness test for all of us. I just want to say that be fit, be hit. Thank you.